Hello everybody, welcome to Robert, and I'm gonna teach you how to tame a parrot. I need to spawn a parrot. Now this is how you need seeds and a parrot to tame. Okay, you just go on anyway. Okay, now this is how you... Why are they keeping floating away? No, stay here. That's how you tame. Now, I don't know why everything is going away, but I'm going to tame it outside. Now, you stay here right now. It's so hard to... Okay. Tame. Okay, now I can make it sit. I don't want it to explode my parrot. Explode. Wow, don't even take me any damage. Now, if you want to go like what I have a parrot already. I have a parrot already. I just don't want to tell you. This is my parrot lying down. In next part, how to put a tame parrot on your shoulder. It's pretty hard, everybody, to notice, but stand, done, go it. You just do like this, any corner, anything like right here. Bam. I got two now. I think I can stand more. Where are you? Okay, never mind. Okay. No, I cannot put any more. Get away. Okay, I don't know why I'm killing my parrot, but get away. This skeleton is just trying to say, how are you? How are you? You keep on missing, you stupid. No, you didn't even. Okay, I'm going. Goodbye. I'm hiding here. Shoot, no, I'm going skeleton. You get away, you stupid skeleton. I'm really angry. Hallelujah. Okay. Okay, I need to go back to that thing again. Yikes. You know I got Frost Walker already. Nice and clear Freeze Walker. And I can walk on the water. If you want to try that out. And I'll show you how to do it in the next episode. So get prepared to... I don't know what to do. So, a bone. Oh yeah, I remembered. I need to eat. Maybe I should just go in another episode right now. But see you guys next time.